Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To save an image for online display, use the Save for Web dialog box to make sure the image file is as small as possible without sacrificing image quality, while also ensuring the format you use displays correctly online. To view this dialog box, select File, Save for Web from the menu bar. Use the settings available at the right side of this dialog box to set the size and quality settings for the image. You can use the Preset drop-down to select a preset image format. You can also set custom options in the area below that by using the settings available for the selected format. You can save a simple vector drawing with few colors as a GIF. You can save more complex photography with many colors as a JPEG or PNG file. Many times, however, the file that you have created in Elements is just too large for easy download on the web. In that case, you can set a new width and height for your image to change the image size. You can also click the Constrain Proportions link icon to toggle that feature on or off as needed. When enabled, this feature prevents the image from warping when it is resized. In the lower left corner of the image preview are the current settings for the image. Its format and actual file size appear here. Below that, you can see how long it takes to download it for a given internet connectivity speed. If you click the Options button to the right of the rightmost preview image, a pop-up menu appears where you can change the download connectivity rate and download time. This helps you see how long it will take people with different rates of internet connectivity to download the image. You can also set how much of the image to show in the preview by selecting a percentage from the pop-up menu in the lower left corner of this dialog box. When you are ready to save the image for the web, click the Save button to launch the Save Optimized As dialog box. This dialog box lets you select where to save the optimized image file and what to call it. Just click the Save button in this dialog box to save the optimized image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.